Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly forecast on gold. Hope you're all doing well. Links are all in the video description if you want to check them out. Now let's just see what we was doing last week. We was looking for a bullish movement from this grey area here. And you can see we clearly got that towards the upside and made it a new all-time high, which is very good. Made lots of profit on that upwards movement. Moving on to this week. And then I'll recap last week's a bit more in depth to give a bit of learning material. So this week we're looking for a clear retracement. That's all we're doing. Nice simple forecast. Move that along there and I expect some sort of retracement to there. Support and resistance running along there. Then we're going to get a continuation up, or it's going to be a breakdown and a true move to the downside. So you'd have something nice and simple looking like that. And if you look here, on a higher time frame, there'd be a manipulation area running along there that was created over here and then retest multiple times. So I expect that area to be retested. So you're looking for a big move down, around a $50 move to the downside, which will be a higher time frame retracement. That's all I'll be looking for this week. So nice and simple. Now let's go over last week. Now I just want to go over the bullish price action and how we got into it, because if we zoom in on the hourly time frame, this was Monday and this was Tuesday. We didn't take any buys on this day because there was no clear setup. But within this price action, we were creating manipulation on the higher time frame that was viewed. That's why on Wednesday we got a clear buy setup from here. It was retesting this manipulation area that was created for the higher time frame, and then got a clear buy from here on the retest during the New York session, and then got a clear continuation to the upside. So that was clear profit from that grey area. So that was a nice easy trade to the upside, targeting the all-time high. And another bullish confirmation was on this day here, which was Wednesday. We didn't even clear this high here, so we was creating more liquidity to target. So there was lots of confirmations for a bullish move. So I saw a lot of people getting this move, which was very good. It was nice, clear, very well constructed. Now on the 4-hour time frame, let me just go over this. So the reason for the bullish move and the reason it continued up on Friday is because of this big consolidation. We was able to continue up without a retracement because this price action had created for so long. On Friday, I did put out a message on the free Telegram group saying that I will be looking for a bearish move during the New York session, and that will be a higher time frame retracement. And this is how it turned out. We was looking at the chart and we got into a sell around here. Saw it rejecting, and that was in the New York session. This would have been the last time for it to go down if it did. We saw this upwards move as a fake out, taking this high. So if it was going to drop hard, it would have done on this candle here. We got into the sell. As price came down, moved to break even, got stopped out on this candle here. And that was it. Just a break even result for that day on Friday. Nothing to sweat about. We made lots of profit from the previous 2 days, buying from here to the upside. And that was a clear target of the all-time high. Now what you can see on the 4-hour, I explained it in previous videos, is the reason for that is because this was a retest of the support area here, where the manipulation area running along there. So that's the low end of the consolidation range. Price came up, created liquidity, left this liquidity above, came back down and retested this area. So this downwards move here and this one here is retesting that area. Then you got a bullish move up, and this downwards move just before last week was the final retracement and retest of that new buying level down here. So that's why we was looking for a bullish move up from there. It's getting to the end of the consolidation, so all you're looking to get into is that outbreak, which will be the bullish move that we got into on Wednesday. And luckily, we got a nice retest of this manipulation area, and I explained this on the free channel on Wednesday, what was happening around these areas. And as you can see, we got lots of fake outs and retest of this blue line. So that's where the most consolidated area is. That's why when price came down, it hit resistance at that level, then started to get into buy orders. And that was getting into buy orders to favour the bullish move. So I'm going to leave it there. Links all in the video description. Nice and simple weekly forecast going into next week. We're at a new all-time high, so there's not really many levels you can use. Just looking at a simple retracement going into this week, then around this level here, we'd be looking for either continuation up, or it's going to break down and take this liquidity here. So this upwards move would be a big fake out if we do start to break down below these lows here, because this would be the consolidation, this would be the fake out, and then the impulse move would be the true direction. I don't expect that. I just expect a retracement to the consolidation and then a clear continuation up. Now, something to look out for. If we don't get that at the start of the week, Monday, Tuesday, and then we have interest rate on Wednesday. So before interest rate news, if it's still consolidating up here, then a consolidation in this area would mean it's likely to continue up. And they're just having a bit of breather around this area instead of retracing. So look out for that. If we get a retracement down first, then good. It's a nice easy trade. If we get a consolidation, it means price is likely to go up from there. The only news really this week is interest rate news on Wednesday. So watch out for that. That's in the afternoon. Message me if you've got any questions. Links are all in the video description. Take care and goodbye.